guys, my name is Siddharth CM. I'm at Institute of Wood Science and Technology in Malleshwaram, situated in the heart of Bangalore.
Institute of Wood Science and Technology, located in the heart of Bangalore, promotes using forest resources and services in a way that is sustainable and eco-friendly. Institute houses a wood museum where you can have a look at various kinds of wood, artifacts and furniture made from wood. It also informs us about the history of wood usage. Museum showcases a hollow berry tree that was eaten by termites. It talks about various colors of wood and different types of wood. It has a wood library that is second largest in India after Dehradun.
Production of new age materials like aluminium, steel, plastic and glass consumes vast amount of energy as compared to wood for domestic use, causing widespread pollution and global warming. With the advance of technology and difference in consumer preferences and high-end prices of wood, many industries like construction industry and furniture industry have shifted to alternative sources such as aluminium, iron, plastic and glass. The right use of forest trees and supplies could actually bring about a healthy balance between the production and consumption. This museum has two huge stars, one of 78 years and one of 362 years. One of the ways we can determine the age of the tree is by counting the number of annual trees from the pit to the periphery, and this is called dendrochronology. This museum also showcases the insect diversity. Insects play a very important role in human welfare, notwithstanding the ecosystem services they render. Over half of the human diet can be traced to bee pollination. They recycle nutrients, regulate microclimate and local hydrological processes, pest suppression and detoxification of noxious chemicals. Today, species are being lost at a rapid rate, and most of these macro species are insects. With only 10 or 20% of the species described by science, the loss of insect species could actually be much higher. There is an urgent need to recognize this fact and take measures to conserve the beautiful and functional critical organisms. In this museum, we have also got information relating to pulping and paper making. Pulping and paper making are processes that are energy intensive. Pulping is essentially converting woody material to fibers. There are three main pulping processes: mechanical, chemical and semi-chemical. Did you know, apart from wood, bamboo and many other agricultural fibers like bagasse, rice straw, hemp, flax, etc. are used for paper making? Down here we can see two types of pulps, the unbleached kraft pulp, which is brown in color, and the bleached kraft pulp, which is white in color. We can see here that there are samples of paper made from raw materials. However, there are many challenges faced by the pulp and paper making industry. The most significant challenge faced by the pulp and paper making industry is the lack of raw materials. In India, the raw materials are mixed. There are wood, agro residues and waste paper, and therefore they need to be imported. Insects are one of the most important natural agencies that bring about wood degradation. Different groups of insects, especially beetles, termites, are chief among insects. Other groups like wasps and ants also use wood as a food substrate. Scientific studies across the world have revealed hundreds of insect species to be surviving on dead wood lying on the forest floor. This emphasizes the importance of dead wood in biodiversity conservation. Apart from those that use wood as as feeding substrate, there are many organisms that take shelter and use their wood as their homes.
This museum also shows a model of energy village. This model displayed here depicts a village that meets its entire energy requirement from the biomass. Energy plantations are raised on an unused, degraded land by villagers themselves. The biomass harvested from the plantation is fed to the gasification unit that generates producer gas. A generator uses this producer gas and converts it into electricity, which is exploited to meet the energy needs of the village. The sectors that primarily consume wood comprise of plywoods and panels, furniture, handicrafts, agricultural implements, and construction.
The museum also showcases seeds such as seeds having medicinal value, oil yielding seeds, seeds of trees for non-timber and timber produce, seeds of trees used for pulp and paper making, and various other seeds.
Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store them in trunks, roots, and soil. Therefore, we need 1/3 of the land to be under forest cover. Trees store about 15 million tons of carbon dioxide each year. However, cutting down trees is releasing dangerous amounts of carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. However, this is reversible and it can be done easily by just letting the trees draw back their natural resilience. Here's a food for thought for you. The government of Madhya Pradesh has given clearance for the diamond mining project in the Bakswara forest in the Bundelkhand region. This is going to create an ecological imbalance as it affects thousands of animals and plants, especially the Panna Tiger Reserve and the Gharial Sanctuary.
Like, share, and subscribe to my channel so I can